Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can update your Emirates ID. So you must perform this step if you have recently renewed your Emirates ID. So failure to update will lead to digital service disruption. So you have to make sure that your new physical ID is ready. So let's now proceed to update. So first is the mandatory biometric check. So to link your new ID, UAE Pass requires a one-time facial verification or what we call liveness check for security purposes. And then you have to ensure that you're in a well-lit area since it's going to be scanning your face. So let's just tap on Start Face Scan. So in here, you have to hold still and look at the camera. So the system is comparing your current liveness data with the biometric data stored in the government registry for your new ID. So you have to click on Next Step to simulate successful verification. So next is the verification successful. So your identity has been verified. So they will be fetching the latest information from your renewed Emirates ID to update your digital profile. So what you're gonna do is just tap on confirm your data, and then Emirates ID will be updated successfully. So your digital identity in UAE Pass is now linked to your new Emirates ID. So you can now use your updated digital ID across all government services. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!